Okay, should we open up this present? What's in here? This is from Aunt Kelly and Uncle Harold. Okay, we'll open up this. And Danielle and Brianna and Kaden. You want to open up that first? Okay. That's from them too. Can you open this up? Are you going to rip it? Here. Let's see what you got from your cousins. Kingston, look at this. Oh, some new shoes. New shoes. Yay. New running shoes. What else did they get you? Can you get it out of the bag? Did they get you some clothes? What's in here? What's this? Oh, some undershirts. And some outfits. Yeah, Skippa wants to know. Some more. A football outfit. And some hats. Oh, some summer hats. Okay. What else do we have here? Do you want to open up that box? Okay, this is from Grandma and Grandpa. You're going to pull up the bowl? In here. You tear it off? Oh, you got the bowl? What's in here, Kristen? What's in here? Oh, do you see something in there? Can I get it out? Yeah. It's a helmet, huh? That's a helmet, a bike helmet. A bike helmet to keep you safe. Yeah, which way does it go? There we go, a bike helmet for when you ride your
We
bike.
put it on backwards, lady.
There. You got your bike helmet? You show Daddy? Oh, clunk. Hee hee.
Kingston.
Look at Daddy. Oh. Oh. Yay! That's your bike helmet? That's from Grandma and Grandpa. There. What else do we have? What's in here? Oh, you want to see? This is from Mom and Daddy. Can you pull them out? What's this? Okay. Oh, some puzzles. Yeah, some puzzles. They're still in the plastic, huh? Want me to take them out of the plastic? Have the batteries for them? Yeah, some puzzles. About vehicles. And about animals, and they make sounds when you put the puzzle pieces in. Cool. Okay, you want to open up this? Here. Kristen. You looking at your shoes? Here, this is from your cousins. From Aunt Kelly and Uncle Harold and your cousins. Here's some socks. Some socks. Yeah, what else is in here? What else? A new hat? Another hat? He. And more clothes. Some shirts. Hey, look at all these clothes. Some shorts. Whoa, look at all these clothes and some pants. Say thank you, Danielle and Brianna and Kaden. Thank you for all the clothes and the shoes. Okay. You want to open up this big one? This is from Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah. What's inside here? Whoa. Turn it this way. Whoa. This is a bike seat. So you can go on Mommy and Daddy's bike. We can go biking. You say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Okay. Here's from Nana. We need a knife to open this one, huh? Yes, this one's from Nana. From Nana. We're gonna cut it open. Came in the mail for you. There we go. Whoa.
Pick up the scissors guy.
Okay, Mommy get the camera. We'll take a picture for Nana. Oh, what's in here? This is from Nana. Oh, there's lots of presents in here. Wow. There's a card from Nana. You want to open it? Oh, can you pull this card out? Oh, it says celebrate. Kingston, we're so blessed to have you in our lives. We love you, Nana and Grandpa Kurt. They say, happy birthday! Whoa, what do you see in here? Can you pull that out? A truck! A wooden truck, huh? That's pretty cool. I can take a picture from here. That's a cool wooden truck, huh? Here, oh, it's a card from Pappy and Granny. Oh boy, look who's won. Choo choo. Some trains on your birthday card. Wow. So this is from two people, from Granny and Pappy, and from Nana and Grandpa Kurt. What's this? Whoa, cool. Some soft rubber trucks. Whoa. It's like a tow truck. Yeah, a tow truck. We'll have to take that out of the box, huh? Whoa, what's in here? What's in here? Can you open it? Oh, some shoes, some sandals. Oh, cool. You need sandals. And a cute outfit. Look at this nice spring outfit. Some pants and a shirt. Cool. Oh, can you open up this one? Oh, cool. Some stacking cars. Oh, cool. Beep, beep. Neat, huh?